I recently got my hands on this beautiful variegated string of pearls, and I've been learning how to take care of it. I have been top watering, but then I learned that bottom watering was better for these plants. Now I accidentally left it in the water for like 3 hours, essentially waterboarding the plant. I thought it might be okay, it will recover, it will just dry out. Instead, in a couple of days, it killed so many of the pearls, so here is an emergency repot. I'm just eyeballing here, but it's about like equal amounts of potting soil, chunky perlite, orchid bark, and a little bit of charcoal. I was so sad to just find empty roots. There were so many pearls, they were so healthy, but I'm just doing what I can and hoping for the best. Now whatever's left does look pretty healthy, so I guess I still don't know how to take care of it, but this is attempt number 2.